Hey guys, let's wash these grapes. So I'm making the viral, I don't know, sweet grapes, but it's called like grapes tangulu, I believe. Anyway, listen to the sizzle. Oh my goodness. I love that sizzle, but anywho, so basically you just put 2 cups of sugar and 1 cup of water, boil it and let it boil, let it get all gooey or whatever. Put your grapes in, put the chopsticks, toothpicks, get it going. But they use the Chinese sticks, but I didn't have those, not yet. But stay tuned. Listen to her. Aww.
And yummy.
I love her. She loves them. Look at my roses.
Is it yummy?
Yes, hunty.
It is yummy.
Bye-bye. Let me know if y'all try this. Yes, leave it in the comment section. But thesewiththebomb.com.
Wanna try? She's your best friend right now.
Okay, let's clean these makeup brushes. Y'all already know. Let's get that Dawn soap because Dawn cleans everything. Also, I put some baking soda and some vinegar. So, apple cider vinegar. So, what do y'all use to clean your brushes? I saw so many makeup artists or whoever they are, influencers, cleaning their stuff. But I clean it like this. And let me tell you something. I get these from Dollar Tree. I am not going to be going to Ulta and spending $20 on no foam puff, whatever it's called. I can't. I'm not gonna do it. This is just ridiculous. It's a waste of money. And look how they get. You just throw it out and get another one. I'm gonna show you how they look now. They so cute. But these brushes, okay, look at that water. These brushes had to like get turbo clean. Now they came back to white. Then I changed the water. Y'all gonna see. But I'm not too sure how to clean these brushes. I put hot water because I was just like, okay, I'm over it. So here we are putting hot water. This is round 2 after I done rinsed and came back. So now we're going to do this. So see, I was confused. I did it like a little backwards, but oh well. Y'all let me know what's going on. Because at the end of the day, I don't know. But look at how cute this is. This is how they look.
Anyway,
$1. And then it's all done. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching my videos and hopping on and watching me clean my makeup stuff. And those sugar grapes was so amazing. It's like 1,000 degrees, so y'all stay cool, hydrated. Alright guys, thanks for watching, like and subscribing. I'll see you on my next video. Bye.